Welcome back to That Track Channel. It is May in Canada, and that means two things. Hopefully no more snow, and two, race season is officially underway. This weekend, we are with the Winnipeg Sports Car Club shooting their HPDE. That's their High Performance Drivers Education Course, and we're here to bring you all the action. Let's go get it.
So we're going to try and keep you safe and of course have fun, but like yesterday we were talking about tires, we're talking about brakes. Today's the day where you're going to have to start monitoring them. Hi, my name is Darren Watch. I'm the Chief Instructor for Winnipeg Sports Car Club, and this weekend we're putting on our Competition Licensing School. Out here for the Competition Licensing School, we offer a program that shares motorsport to all levels of experience, from somebody who is perhaps just got their license to somebody who is now retired and have finally got that car they've always wanted, everything in between. Our competition licensing school includes classroom theory before we hit the track, and 2 full days of track time, which includes exercises for skill building like slalom, swerve and avoid, figure 8, and the all-important 8 full hours of track time for the weekend. Our schools are very popular and often sell out in February every year. However, if you miss it, you're more than welcome to join us for our Friday afternoon hot lap sessions, where you can get track experience, some minor coaching, and mini schools. That's enough for me. How about we go check out some of the action?
So now this challenge here is called obstacle avoidance, and what the drivers have to do is come barreling down the straightaway and choose where they're going to go, whether it's going to be to the right lane, to the left lane, or stop in the middle. So we do have flashing indicators up here that's going to indicate for the driver if they have to go right, if they have to go left, or the middle lane, they'll get a red stoplight. Let's check it out. Just like that. Here's a cool little car, an old Rabbit GTI. Right on. No assist, no ABS, no nothing in a car like that. So you did experience a little bit of tire lock up there, but very cool. So the instructor has a box that indicates which lane we're gonna go. On this run, we're actually gonna run a stoplight. Let's see how the driver does. Whoa, that's some good stopping power right there. It's like he knew. There we go, there's our operator for the day. Paul, how you doing?
Good, thanks, Cara.
Good. Having fun with those switches, aren't you?
You betcha.
Of course. And Robbie, how you doing, man?
Good, I'm enjoying the show.
Absolutely. Okay, here we go. We got a challenger. We're going to give him the stoplight. Let's see how he does. Oh, and he gets it done. There we go. We're going to watch the switchman at work here. Okay, so it looks like we have this GTI coming, and this thing sounds really good, and definitely a performance machine coming our way. And now where's Paul going to go? Left, right, or stop? There you go. So what we're doing now is we have a group swap. So the guys that were doing obstacle avoidance are moving to another station. So they're probably going to head over to the figure eight, I'm guessing. And the guys over at figure eight might move to obstacle avoidance or maybe the auto slalom at the far end. We'll definitely go check that out and get some more action.
So now we're down south of the racetrack, checking out the auto slalom portion of this course. So pretty much what it is a bunch of pylons laid out, and the drivers have to build up a bit of speed and try to keep their momentum, swerving left and right, going through the cones without hitting any of them, and really just trying to get that momentum and the feeling of the motion of the car back and forth and back and forth. It's a great hand and eye coordination, and let's see how these guys do. Now, this year's school had approximately 40 students at it, and it draws out all kinds of cars. Everything from stock Hondas to new Porsche 911 turbos to even a couple old muscle cars. This year was no exception to that rule. We had 3 1960s cars, and it was kind of cool because it was actually a big family event almost. Dad brought out his 3 boys, and they brought out all their 60s Ford-powered cars. So there was a 68 Ford Gran Torino, a Mercury Cyclone, and a Mercury Cougar as well. Here they are right now, actually.
So we're out at figure eight right now, checking out some of the action. We've got a Mustang about to go out and do a little pass here. Let's check it out.
So this year at the race school, there are a couple new instructors, and I actually am one of them. I've been competing in time attack for many, many years now with multiple first place finishes and a lot of seat time under my belt, I guess you could say. I've turned thousands and thousands of laps here at Gimli Motorsports Park, and I wanted to give back to the community and obviously add it to my resume that I would be eligible to instruct. Now let's actually go talk to another one of my peers, another time attack competitor who is also a first-time instructor this year as well. Let's go catch up with Andrea Rivet and chat with her about how her experience has been this year so far.
My name is Andrea Rivet. I am instructing with the Winnipeg Sports Car Club this year. So this year's been really fun. We've had a lot of different cars, different students from all over come out for the race school. It's been a blast. So I have been competing with the Winnipeg Sports Car Club competitively for 6 years in time attack, and this year I decided instructing would be my way to get back to the club. Gimli is a welcoming place. We come all the way from Saskatchewan to come out to the Winnipeg Sports Car Club for their events. It is home for us. We make the 6-hour drive here every month to make sure that we get some race time in. So it's proof that anyone can come out here from anywhere and any place and have a blast. So let's have fun and go race.
Who are cleared to go solo can go out on your own. Okay, same as this morning, same rules apply for the rest of the day. But the thing is, we're still watching you. Okay? Your instructors are here if you want one. Go out and do a couple sessions, come back, grab one, go out and do a session. Whatever it is your choice. Again, we are here for you, okay? If there is some other scenario here where we need to make sure that we have somebody with you in the car, somebody will make you aware of that after the driver's meeting this afternoon, okay? We do have a couple of awards to hand out, as we do every race weekend. What? You want to do this?
Sure.
You got to voice it.
Yeah. Every school, we only do one classroom session once a year, so every classroom session we like to recognize the odd student that's stuck out a little bit more than maybe the rest of them. And this particular award is going to the student that has gone off the track the most times out of any of you. And that is car number 59, Ron Johnson. We have one other one. We call it the Cone Killer Award. Those in the group here that have hit the most cones, and this person, not only did they hit the most cones during the slalom, they hit every cone. And I just lost the name. Brett Gaberluck. Hope I pronounced it.
And this is my 2011 Honda Civic Si Coupe. I built this car for hot lapping, and as I got more serious, I decided to enter this year's competitive driving course at Gimli Motorsports Park. This is day 2 of HPDE, and it's been an absolute blast. Learned a lot of one-on-one training with instructors, in-car training. I learned so much, I had a blast. I highly recommend this course to anybody.
Well, guys, the 2023 WSCC HPDE course was a massive success, and we just want to say a big thank you to all the volunteers, all the instructors, and especially all the students for showing their interest and coming out and doing this course. We had a lot of fun this weekend, and we wanted to wrap things up with a parade lap featuring every single car that was at that school. Check it out, guys, and make sure to hit that subscribe button and help me grow my channel.
It's all gone, baby, where'd it go wrong? I thought we were meant to be now. I've been living on a good love, living like it won't stop, giving you the best of me, but now I'm feeling like it's all gone, baby, where'd it go wrong? I thought we were meant to be now. I've been living on a good love, living like it won't stop, giving you the best of me, but now I'm feeling like it's all gone, baby, where'd it go wrong? I thought we were meant to be now. I've been living on a good love, living like it won't stop, giving you the best of me, but now I'm feeling like it's all gone, baby, where'd it go wrong? I thought we were meant to be now. It's all gone, baby, where'd it go wrong? I thought we were meant to be now. I've been living on a good love, living like it won't stop, giving you the best of me, but now I'm feeling like it's all gone.